Good afternoon, first graders. Today we are going to work again on making inferences in our text. So I want you all to bring your attention to the anchor chart we made last week. Let's read it all together. Making inferences. When you make an inference, you go beyond what the author's words to understand what is not said in the text. So we're going to put our thinking caps on, become detectives, and look for what the character does, says, and what happens to him. Clues that we need to use when doing this are clues from the text and how we would feel if this happened to us. And that's how we're going to create our inferences. Today, we are going to read the book Fireflies by Julie Brinkle, and we're going to use our emojis sticks that we made last week. Let's recall what each emoji means or symbolizes. So, this is tired, happy, confused, concerned, interested, excited, and sad. Now I'd like you all to reach under your desk and grab your emoji sticks. While you're silently doing that, I'm going to read our objective. I can infer how a character is feeling as demonstrated by the emojis. Now, does anyone have any questions? If you are ready to go, put your thumb on your chest. If you have any questions, put your finger on your nose. All right, first graders, it looks like we're ready to go. Let's recall what our class norms are during read-alouds. First, we're all looking at the words. Second, do we scream out what we're feeling? Are we listening to the words? Yes. And if we have a question, what do we do? Raise our hand quietly. All right, first graders, when I ask how a character is feeling, feel free to hold up your emoji stick. Fireflies by Julie Brinkle. On a summer evening, I looked up from dinner through an open window to the backyard. It was growing dark. My treehouse was a black shape in the tree, and I wouldn't go up there now. But something flickered there for a moment. I looked. It was gone. It flickered again, over near the fence. Fireflies. Don't let your dinner get cold, said Mama. Now, I'd like you all to hold up an emoji stick on what you think the character is feeling. Sally, I see you holding up interested. Can you tell me why you chose interested? What I hear you saying is that you chose interested because he's looking outside at the fireflies instead of the dinner. Johnny, do you agree with that? Good, let's keep reading. I forked the meat and corn and potatoes into my mouth. Please, may I go out? The fireflies. Mama smiled. Daddy nodded. Go ahead, they said. I ran from the table down to the cellar to find a jar. I knew where to look, behind the stairs. The jars were dusty, and I polished one clean with my shirt. Then I ran back up the steps, 2 at a time. Holes, I remembered, so they can breathe. As quietly as I could, so she couldn't hear me doling them, I poked holes in the top of the jar with Mama's scissors. The screen door banged behind me as I ran from the house. If someone said, "Don't slam it," I wasn't listening. What do you think the character is feeling now? Yeah, I see almost everyone holding up excited. Kelly, can you tell me why you chose excited? Good. Drake, can you rephrase why Kelly chose excited? Very good. All right, let's read on to find out. And we will continue this for the rest of the book using all 7 emojis. This follows standard literacy, reading literature, 1.3, describe character settings, major events, and a story using key details. And this will help students along the cognitive model with using inferring and keeping up to date with their literature and reading.